Hey there, welcome to my channel. I am Shilpa and today I am going to show you how to create a seamless text pattern in Photoshop. If you like this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel and do hit the notification bell. Now let's get started. Create a new document in size 2000 by 2000 pixels and set the resolution as 150, color mode RGB and 8-bit. Click OK. On this color box, make sure black is on the top. Press Ctrl plus I and it will fill color on the background layer. Click on the text tool in the toolbar. Select the size and font accordingly. Select the text color as white and write the text as per your choice. Press Ctrl plus T and make sure text fits inside the background layer. Press Ctrl plus J and it will make copy of the text layer. Now drag the text down and repeat the same process until the background layer is filled with text. Select the first layer and go down and press Shift and select the last layer. Right click and convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter and select Liquify. Select Forward Warp tool and move the text accordingly. Once done, press OK. Once you filled up your canvas with your design, select both the layers and right click and merge visible. Then go to Filter, Other and Offset. Take the width and height of your canvas and divide both number by 2. If you don't already know the height and width of your canvas, you can find out by going to Image and then clicking on Canvas Size and check the size of your canvas. So you are going to take the width and height of the canvas and divide both numbers by 2 and write those numbers down. Since my canvas is 2000 pixels by 2000 pixels, both of my number divided by 2 equal out to be 1000. Make sure wrap around option is selected and click OK. This will show us what a basic repeat of our design is going to look like. So we can now go in and fill in the gaps where our design isn't repeating the way we want it to. Go to Filter and select Liquify and select Forward Warp tool and move the text and fill the gaps in between. Once done, press OK. Go to Filter, Other, Offset and make the height and width as 0 and click OK. So that's how you create a seamless text pattern in Photoshop. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching.